T-Bone very happy about Harrison's success. Just hopes he's a little quiet here over the next 2 days. Into right. That ball's hit well. Braun feeling for the wall, reaches up, makes the catch. It wasn't the prettiest catch, but it's in the glove for an out, and Harrison is retired.
Yeah, he thought he was closer to the wall than he actually was. He jumped up. He still had maybe 3 feet to go back.